Cook. Noun. A fish, the European striped wrasse, Labrus mixtus. Cook. Verb. To prepare food for eating by heating it, often by combining it with other ingredients. I'm cooking bangers and mash. Cook. Verb. To prepare unspecified food for eating by heating it, often by combining it with other ingredients. He's in the kitchen, cooking. Cook. Verb. To be being cooked. The dinner is cooking on the stove. Cook. Verb. To concoct or prepare. Cook. Verb. To tamper with or alter, to cook up. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.